Hello everyone, I am Manisha Sonde. Welcome to Mother-in-law's cookbook. Today we have everyone's favorite Pathare Prabhu's mutton, the most quickest and tastiest most recipe where I don't have to be in the kitchen for a longer time. You have to marinate the mutton with the most common ingredients and that's it. Just grind 10 to 15 cloves of garlic, 2 inches of ginger to the fine paste. One can add little water to make a paste. Finely chop some coriander leaves, 2 to 3 green chilies finely chopped. Now to the half kg mutton, add some salt, some turmeric powder and then 2 to 3 tablespoons of red chili powder. I am using here Bedgi chili. You can use whatever is available. Then the ground ginger garlic paste, finely chopped green chilies and finely chopped coriander leaves. And the most important ingredient is Pathare Prabhu's garam masala, which I am adding 2 heaped tablespoons. If at all you do not have one, then you can use your favorite garam masala here. Mix and keep refrigerated until 1 hour. Now heat the pressure cooker. Add 5 to 6 tablespoons of groundnut oil. Once hot, add about half teaspoon of asafoetida and then the whole garam masala like cinnamon, bay leaf, cloves and green cardamom. Once this is hot, then add 2 finely chopped onions and then mix with the garam masala and then keep on stirring until the onions are very softened and mushy. For any mutton or chicken, onions has to be very soft to get the perfect gravy. Then I have deseeded and chopped 2 red tomatoes and I am adding this to the softly cooked onions. Now I will be adding some salt to the tomatoes, just as much for the tomatoes and onions are required. Now I am stirring it on a high flame until the tomatoes are nicely cooked and softened. Now that the tomatoes are cooked very well and incorporated with the onion, I will be adding this marinated mutton, stirring it well with the onions and tomatoes until it is mixed very well. Then I will be adding some water. After washing the marinated pot, I will be adding this water and if required, I will add some more. I will be adding the water as much as the mutton level is. So mixing it all together very nicely and I will now cover it with the lid and pressure cook it until 2 to 3 whistles. And when the pressure will be gone, I will open the lid and I will check whether the mutton is cooked very well, and if so, then I will be adding little pure ghee and cooking it until the water is incorporated well with the gravy. Once that is done, I will be adding chopped coriander and I will be serving it with either chapati or fulka. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching.